Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be discussing about escape sequence in Python. So escape sequence characters consisting of multiple characters but represents a single character when they are used in the string. As I discussed in the previous session, you could able to find in the print statement I was using slash and slash t. So those are escape sequence characters which will be having set of operation while printing a set of statements using print function. I've explained within 5 examples here. So these are the commonly used examples for escape sequence characters. So slash and slash t and backslash and double quote backslash and single backslash. So here, if you want to print a new line, you can make use of slash n, and if you want to create a tab space, you can make use of slash t, and if you want to create a single quote, you can make use of slash and single quote. If you want to create a double quotes, you can make use of slash and double quotes, and if you want a single backslash, so you can make use of double backslash. So now let us execute this with an examples. Now let me print the same example which I have created before. So Rama, Ravi, Raj. So these are the 3 print statements. So now let us proceed with one by one. Now let us add a escape sequence character. End is equal to slash slash n. If I add the same thing here and when I run this, I will get the string or the output statements in different lines because I'm using slash n. Slash n is nothing but a new line. So once after creating and print objects, so it will move for next line for creating the other print objects, right? So this is case 1, is one new line. Now let us go for second case for tab spaces. I will try to copy this and again. So now I will add slash t. Now I will try to run this. When I run this, I'm getting the print objects in a single line with an tab spaces in between them. So now you could able to see the tab spaces between the print objects. So this is the operation of tab spaces. Now the third one is single quote. Case 3, single quote. I will use a quote here. Now if I run this, I am getting an output. So since I'm using slash t here, it's in continuation. I will try to use slash n, then I will try to print. Now it will be a new line. So as the new line operation is to create and print object in a new line. So once if I done that, so everything will under that line. So in the third case, now you can see the print objects are printed with commas in between. So saying that after printing and print object using a print statement or print function, now the end should be associated with single quotes. This is an operation of single quotes. Now let us go for case 4, double quotes. Let us copy this and I will make and changes here as slash n so that it will be printed in a new line. When I run this, so since it is a single quote itself, it's printing again the single quote. When I run this, now you could able to see the changes. It has been replaced with double quotes. Backslash with double quotes gives the prints the print object separated with double quotes, or printing and print object, or after it will be having a double quotes. So once the print object has been printed, so the end statement will be double quotes. This is how the double quotes works. Now let us go for last case, single backslash. Now let us copy this and paste this. So instead of double quotes, I want a backslash, a single backslash. Now if I try to print this, I will try to replace with slash n. So hence it will be replaced in the new line. When I run this, now the objects are ended with a single backslash. So these are the examples or the test cases of escape sequence characters, and these are the 5 which will be commonly used. And you may have a reference of this code as well in order to perform this operation. So that's all about escape sequences in Python. Thank you.